Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of garlic. Are you using it correctly? In this video, we'll uncover the 8 common mistakes people make when consuming garlic that could be reducing its health benefits or even making it harmful. Let's get started. First up, overcooking garlic. When garlic is cooked at high temperatures, it loses its potent compounds. Aim for a light sauté instead of frying it until it's brown. Next, eating garlic whole. Whole cloves won't release the beneficial compound allicin. Always chop or crush garlic to unlock its health benefits. Buying pre-peeled garlic may seem convenient, but it often loses flavor and potency. Fresh garlic is always the best choice for maximum benefits. Did you know? Not washing garlic can expose you to pesticide residues. Always rinse garlic under cool water before using it. Improper storage can diminish garlic's quality. Store garlic in a cool, dry place in a mesh bag to ensure freshness. After chopping or crushing garlic, let it rest for about 10 minutes. This activates allicin, enhancing its health benefits. Be aware of garlic's interactions with certain medications. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you're taking blood thinners or other medications. Finally, not choosing the best garlic can hold you back. Look for firm, unblemished bulbs for the most flavor and health benefits. Now, let's talk about the benefits of garlic. Garlic is known to help lower blood pressure, making it great for heart health. It's also an antioxidant powerhouse, fighting free radicals in your body. Garlic can support your immune system, helping you fend off illnesses. And don't forget its antimicrobial properties, which can help combat infections. Finally, garlic supports digestive health, promoting a balanced gut. Incorporating garlic the right way can enhance your health. Avoid these common mistakes for maximum benefits. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips. Share your garlic tips in the comments below.